Wait, it's almost 3 hours. Hey, Kai Omo. Hey, I only have one brain. Oh, what is this? How can I make this less time consuming? Yeah, so I know this is a major challenge a lot of busy professionals, students, and especially Gen Zs face in terms of trying to go through a long material but not having the time. Okay, so you want to efficiently manage time, energy, but at the same time get the maximum value, okay, out of the course or whatever you're watching in general. So this is why this tutorial is being done, and we are going to use this as an example. It's almost 2 hours 30 minutes. This is the YouTube app I'm on, okay, the standalone app. You may not be able to do what I'm about to show you with the YouTube app, but you can do it on your Chrome browser or any browser at all that you have. So this is what you do. You tap on the share button to copy the link of the video you want to transcribe. Chrome browser, okay, or whichever browser you use, okay. And this time we want to type YouTube transcript, okay, and you just press enter. Now the very first one you see, YouTube to transcript, is quite good, okay. So we want to get the transcript of this YouTube video so that we can feed it to a popular chatbot like ChatGPT to tweak it to our liking. So you go ahead and just paste the YouTube link that you copied and you press get free transcript. So once it says transcript of Google, yep, complete, all you need to do is, let's close this ad. All you need to do is copy transcript, okay? So you copy the transcript. Okay, now since it is quite long, if you go and paste it on, let's say, ChatGPT, immediately it would truncate it. So the thing we need to do is we need to open any word-based document that we have in our phone, okay? So I'll simply go to my WPS office, okay, and I'm going to go to under recent. I'm going to tap the create button, okay, and create a new Word document. Then I tap on blank, okay, and I press and hold down and I paste, okay. So it has all the transcripts, all the text, okay, of this almost 2 hours 30 minutes video, okay. So what I'll do now is I'll tap this icon beside the done text up here that signifies save, okay, and I'll just make sure you take note of where you saved the document, okay. So let's say I just go to phone and let's say I save it on let's say okay, let me just say for orientation I save it here, okay, and I just call it transcript of PM, okay, and I press save. Okay, now I saved it as a Word document .docx. Okay, should you want to save it as a PDF, okay, let me go to save as. You just switch here from .docx to PDF, okay. So that's just it, and you hit save. So I've saved it as Word document. So we'll quickly go back, okay, to our Chrome, and this time we are going to open ChatGPT. So when we press ChatGPT, we open it and we now attach. Okay, now look at, you make sure you are logged into your ChatGPT account, because if you are not logged in, this plus sign will not be showing as an option to attach any document you have. Okay, so just tap the plus sign and tap add files, then tap for mine is photos and videos, but for your system it can be your local device or whatever. Okay, so let me go, pressing the three dots here, let me go to my Infinix Hot 40i phone storage, okay, where I can locate that file called orientation, okay, where I saved it. This is a long option, but if you have recent anyway, if you tap recent a good number of times, it already saves it in the most recent something you saved will be here already. Okay, so this is a very faster way. So you just tap on it.
So once it has loaded, you just type something along these lines. I need you to summarize the contents of attached documents as precisely as possible. Keeping the key points intact. Okay, so something along these lines, and you could choose to make it more detailed to the taste you want based on the course you are having. Okay, so once you do this, you will see that it generates this. Okay, you can see that it generates this, and you will see that something that is more or less, you can see that it's working. Something that is more or less up to 3 hours or thereabouts. You would get it very brief like this. And the cool thing is that it would even, of course, ask you, would you like the summary in PDF format for easy download, which is a very key thing that we need to do based on the next step to make it even easier for you to study what you have just created as a summary. Okay, so I can see yes please get the PDF downloadable. Okay, from just yes please, and so here we have it. So we have the Google PM certificate summary. All right, so if we just click it, the download, it would go ahead and start the download of this Google PM certificate summary that it just did for us. Okay, now before we go to the next step, I showed you this step of how to get this transcript of a YouTube link, because you may face that challenge of the bot not able to transcribe or get the summary from the YouTube video itself. In some cases it works, in other cases it doesn't work. Okay, but should it be that it works for your YouTube video, the cool thing is that you could just come directly here, paste the YouTube link of what you wanted to summarize, okay, and tell it to generate a short summary for you. Okay, maybe if time permits me, while this is loading for the PDF to be formed, I could go ahead and go back to that project management video. So I would copy the link again, just like we did. Copy the link and go back to ChatGPT. Let's see whether it's okay. It more or less refreshed because I went back, but you can still remember my chat history. So let me just tap on the project management option. All right, so okay, let me first download the PDF to be sure that it downloaded. Okay, it has downloaded up there. Now if I come here and I paste the link, I just want to test whether it is going to be able to recognize it directly based on what I said earlier. So I will say something like generate a precise summary of this video. All right, and let's see of this video link, and let's see whether it will work. This is epic. So this is epic. Now you can see that it was able to do it. Okay, so this is why I said what I said. You can see that it was able to do this from the video directly. So it was able to generate a summary of this video, this over 2-hour video, directly by going to ChatGPT. But I did that earlier version because in some cases it may not be able to get, be able to transcribe directly from the YouTube, and it will ask you to generate the transcript of the YouTube I'll post here. Okay, so any which way you could go ahead and get the summary, get the PDF. Then a little extra tip: should it be that your video, your YouTube video, or whatever you want to go through has certain places where you may need to watch and practice or something like that, you could go ahead and write a prompt to let the bot get timestamps. So you can say something like, please get the timestamps where I may need to watch the practical aspect of this course. Say the timestamps of this course and go there quickly. So let's just see. So now you see that so now you can see that it has generated these timestamps that you can go through to see some practical steps, okay, on the particular video you are watching. So that's just a very cool extra tip should it be that your YouTube video has certain practical aspects. And to make it very concise, this video, I would have shown you also a more excellent way to even go through the PDF you have generated. Okay, but I'll make it a standing tutorial for next time, where you can effortlessly read the PDF in an audio format that will make it seamless for your study experience. You could even be doing other things while listening. So I hope this really helped you. Kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you get to know firsthand of new digital-oriented tutorials and tips to make your living in the 21st century seamless and productive. See you next time.